Well, look who I found. The beauty in the window. Little Princess Annabelle. Princess Annie. Lady Bells. Lady Annabelle. Oh, look at her. Okay, guys. Pet your fluff balls. Hold your fluff balls. I'm doing it in between work, so get it in when you can, because they sure do need lots of love, right, sweetie? Say, yeah, I'm feeling like I need some love. I'm looking for some love out here. Okay, guys, enjoy your day. Have a great one. Princess Annabelle and I are sending you lots of love. Want to say see ya to your YouTube fans? See ya. See ya. Ciao, ciao. Okay, guys, I think, well, you might get a slight head turn from Princess Annabelle. Okay, we love you. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, 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 ciao.